Okay, good afternoon. Here we are doing the second video for adding and subtracting polynomials. So we're going to be doing 6 through 10. In question number 6, this is just a simple addition. We have parentheses on both sides, so when it's addition like this, we're not doing anything else kind of inside the parentheses because they're all unlike terms. I just rewrote it real quick, dropped the parentheses, and now I go through, I look for like terms. So I have the fourth power here, c to the fourth. There's also another one here. So 4 added to positive 9, that gives us 13 c to the fourth. So I can cross those out. Those are all done. The next highest exponent is c to the third. It happens right here. And I have 7 of those. And that is the only one I have in my polynomial. And negative 3 plus 6, these are my constants. Add those together, that gives you positive 3. And we are all done. Again, circling my final answer. Number 7 is very similar to number 6, just using the variable q this time. So it was an addition problem between the sets of parentheses. So I dropped the parentheses and now I just wrote it all out. And now I look for the highest exponent, and I have negative 3q to the fourth, positive 5q to the fourth. So when we add those together, we get 2q to the fourth. Cross them out. The next set I have q to the third power, a couple of those, and it's negative 7 and positive 9. Add those up and you get 2q to the third. Cross them out when you're done. Then we have lonely positive 6q as my last term. So a nice easy trinomial starting with q to the fourth, q to the third, and then q at the end. Again, writing is always in good standard polynomial form. Question number 8, we have a subtraction sign in between. So again, my personal choice, change the subtraction to addition and then put a negative on everything else. Okay, so it'll be a negative 3c, negative 7c squared, and negative 9c to the fourth. They just become opposites of what they were. So since all these were positive inside parentheses, now they all become negative inside of parentheses. If I had any minus signs in there, then I would change it to a positive, but we don't have those. So now I can go through, rewrite the whole thing. 4c plus 5c to the fourth. Now I'm going to change this to minus 3c, minus 7c squared, and minus 9c to the fourth. Now going through, looking for like terms, positive 5c to the fourth, and a negative 9c to the fourth. If I add those up, 5 minus 9 is negative 4c to the fourth. Cross them out, they're done. And it looks like I have a minus 7c squared. That is the only square left. And then 4c minus 3c. 4 minus 3 is 1. So plus 1c. All done. Okay, 9 and 10, these are just basic addition in between. So I'm going to add these, saying, now I'm going to kind of drop the parentheses without rewriting. So I'm just going to look for the highest terms, exponents here. G to the fourth and G to the fourth. I have a 9 minus 4. That gives me 5G to the fourth. Cross those out. G to the third is sitting right here. Make sure you include the minus 7, G to the third. And then we have these constants, 8 and 5. Add those together, that gives you 13. There, final answer. And then number 10, again, notice it's addition. So we'll just look for like terms all the way through. K to the fourth. Here's another K to the fourth. This is 3, this is minus 4. That would give me negative 1 k to the fourth. Cross them out. K to the third, I have 9 and 8. gives me 17k to the third. Cross those out, and I'm just left with positive 7k. Okay, that takes care of our worksheet, and hopefully you enjoyed that, got all the right answers, and it'll help you coming up on the next worksheet we do together. Take care.